Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about the derivation of Mendel's law. In previous class, we studied about incomplete dominance, which is also exception of Mendel's law. Now, codominance. What is the codominance? When both dominant and recessive factors or alleles present in each pair of contrasting character equally contribute in expression of a trait in first filial generation, then this process is called as codominance. It means when both dominant and recessive factor cross with each other, then both factor equally expressed in F1 generation and form a new character which is called codominance. For example, skin color in cattles. Skin color of cattles will be red, white, royan, black. In this cross, we take the two traits red and white. When the skin color in cattle in red color which has capital R genotype and white color which has small r genotype, after crossing between these two colored cattle, the royan colored cattle capital R develop in first filial generation. Royan color represent both color, it means white color body has spotted red color. The royan color develops due to the expression of characters of both factor capital R and small r when F1 generation cattles are crossed by interbreeding, it means selfing the red, the royan and the white color cattles develop in F2 generation. The ratio for both phenotype and genotype will be 1:2:1, 1 red color, 2 royan color and 1 white color, and genotype capital R ratio capital R ratio small r. In short way, when we cross the red color skin cattle capital R with white color skin cattle small r, then the royan colored cattles capital R small r is produced in F1 generation. In this, both characters are shown, it means red and white. Royan color is the combination of red and white color. When F1 generation cattles are crossed by self-pollination or interbreeding, pollination word used for plants. So in animals, we used only selfing or interbreeding. Then the red, royan and white skin color cattles develop in F2 generation. And the ratio is 1:2:1 for both phenotype and genotype. Let's see this diagram. It is the capital R and it is the small r. It means red color cattle and white color cattle. When cross occurs between, then royan color cattles are produced in F1 generation when homozygous dominant red color cattle crossed with homozygous recessive white color cattle, it means capital R crossed with small r. These are genotype in male and female parents. After gamete formation, capital R, small r crossed during fertilization. Now, F1 generation obtained, which contain all roan color cattle. After F1 generation, self-fertilization occurs or interbreeding. Then F2 generation produce. During F2 generation, capital R, small r gametes are formed. And now 4 type progeny are produced in F2 generation. Capital R crossed with capital R, then red color cattle are produced. Capital R crossed with small r, then roan color cattle produce. Small r crossed with capital R, then roan color cattle produce. Small r cross each other, then white color cattle produce. Now, phenotype ratio: 1 red color cattle, 2 roan color cattle, and 1 white color cattle. It means 1:2:1. According to Mendel, this ratio will be 3:1. And genotype ratio is like monohybrid cross, capital R 1, capital R small r 2, small r 1. Note: both incomplete dominance and codominance are the exception or deviation of the first law of genetics, which is called law of dominance. Second note: there is no any exception of law of segregation because the segregation is essential during the meiosis division in all sexually reproducing organisms, which is called law of purity. So, it is a universal truth law. Linkage is the exception of third law of genetics, which is called independent assortment. It means first and third law of genetics have exception which are not apply on all organisms, but law of segregation is applicable on all organisms. Now, next topic, multiple alleles. Generally, there are 2 forms of a gene. For example, tall and dwarf, red and white, brown and blue, etc. For a single character. These are 2 forms of a character or gene. But in majority of cases, a gene has more than 2 alleles. This condition is called as multiple allelism. It means if a gene has more than 2 alleles, then these are called multiple alleles or multiple gene, and the heredity of multiple allele is called as heredity of multiple alleles. In other words, presence of more than 2 alleles for a gene is known as multiple allele. Generally, a single gene has 2 alleles. Multiple alleles can be detected only in a population. For example, ABO blood group system of human. ABO blood group system was discovered by Carl Landsteiner, and fourth group AB was discovered by Dick Castello and Stanley scientists. So there are 4 blood groups in human beings and 4 blood groups present in human, which is determined by a single gene which denoted by I. It means capital I gene is responsible for 4 type of blood group in human beings. Blood group is determined by the terminal sugar of fucose present on RBC surfaces, and fucose is also called as H antigen. For terminal sugar, there are 3 alleles, capital I, A, IB and I0. It means I gene has 3 alleles which denoted by IA, IB, I0 or small I. This condition is called as multiple allelism for a single gene. Alleles IA and IB are dominant and form antigen A and antigen B respectively. Allele small I or I0 is recessive and does not form antigen. Due to this, O blood group is the universal donor and AB blood group is the universal recipient. Both IA and IB are determined blood group of A and blood group B, but a person having both allele IA and IB, then blood group of this person will be AB, because both alleles are dominant, so it shows codominance. It means AB blood group is the example of codominance. In parents, male parent have A blood group and female parent have B blood group. Then genotype will be IA in A blood group and IB in B blood group. After gamete formation, fertilization occurs, then F1 generation produce IA, IB. It means both characters are equally dominant in F1 generation, then AB blood group is formed in first filial generation. After this, selfing occurs in F1 generation, then F2 generation obtain. There are IAIB, gametes are formed in male and female. IA cross with IA, then A blood group is produced. IA cross with IB, then AB blood group is produced. IB cross with IA, then AB blood group is produced. IB cross with IB, then B blood group is produced in F2 generation. So phenotype A blood group, AB blood group and B blood group, it means 1 to 1, and genotype IAIA 1, IAIB 2 and IBIB 1. It means 1:1. So this ratio is resemble with codominance, which is the exception of law of dominance. When the allele I0 or I is in homozygous state, I0 or small I, then the person's blood group is O because I0 or I is recessive form. Okay. Next, in a diploid organism, there are 6 types of genotype which have only 4 types of phenotype. It means in ABO blood group, 6 types of genotypes are formed, which are following. A single gene has 3 alleles. It means for I gene there are 3 alleles present, IA, IB and I0 or IE. There is a formula for genotype. Number of genotype is equal small n plus 1 by 2. Small n represent the number of alleles. So in ABO blood group, 3 alleles are present. After putting the value 3 plus 1 by 2, it means 6 genotype. So in ABO blood group, 6 type of genotype are produced. First, IA genotype produce A blood group. It means A phenotype. IA, I0 or IA small I also produce A blood group. So both IA and IA I0 show A blood group. Third genotype IB show B blood group, and IB, I0 or IB small I also show B blood group. So for A and B blood group, 4 genotype are present in ABO blood group. Now, fifth genotype IAIB, which show AB blood group, and last I0 or small I because it is the recessive allele and show O blood group. So there are 4 phenotype A, B, AB and O, and 6 genotypes are produced in ABO blood group.